Life has to go on. That's what the Telangana High Court in fact said. We are here at a center where evaluation for intermediate papers that happened in March has happened, and somebody had in fact someone from Siddipet had gone to High Court saying that they should not be allowed, whereas the High Court said that life needs to go on, and this is an evaluator who's being given a mask by the department, and they are being given sanitizers. Their temperature is also being checked with that non-contact thermometer, and the attempt is that all these people, some of them are already there, and they are in fact evaluating the papers of class 11 and 12. That's called intermediate in Telangana. 9.65 lakh students is what we are talking about, and what the board has said is that the entire area needs to be sanitized, the building needs to be sanitized, social distance will be maintained between the evaluators, and they will all be wearing masks in this particular campus and carrying out. One of the reasons why the government took a decision to go ahead and have this evaluation done is because class 11 and especially 12, very, very critical. Children start going for competitive exams, and at that time, if they don't have the results in hand, the entire academic schedule goes for S6. And now that the reality is something that people are all accepting, that we need to live in a coronavirus world, and therefore we are modifying our lifestyle in that sense. So the evaluation of the papers will go on as required, and maintaining all the social norms and the health norms that need to be followed. Sir, you're following all the norms and carrying out the thing.
Yes, madam. We are following all the norms. So our Board of Intermediate has given certain directions. So we are following according to their. And yesterday, High Court also given some directions. So we are following exactly in the board prescribed manner, madam.
How many such centers are there?
Actually, 12 main centers are there, and they have been distributed to 33 buildings, total in statewide.
So 9.65 lakh students is quite a big number. Yes. And how many evaluators actually will be doing the job?
Totally in the statewide, 15,000 evaluators are there, madam. So yesterday, nearly 4,500 reported. So still today we are expecting 5,000. So tomorrow the remaining 5,000 will be reporting.
So the board, what does it believe? By when will the results actually be out?
So in June 2nd week we are expecting. Yes.
So that's a decision that the government has taken to say that the evaluation must happen ASAP, so that students, especially the ones who are writing competitive exams or have to seek admission in the colleges, are able to keep the schedule. This in fact is the room where the evaluators are sitting and correcting the answer sheets of the students. The room has been sanitized in the early hours. They were of course passed through the temperature checks, non-contact temperature check, sanitized, and also all of them given a masks, and all of them instructed that social distance must be followed. They are going to be here for the entire day. There are 3 shifts, sir. Please share the details. How will you maintain the standards that COVID-19 expects us to follow?
Morning, when before starting only, we are cleaning with the Dettol all the bench, DLS and all things. And when the examiner enter into the room, they are sanitizing hands and giving the mask, and they'll allow to value the papers. And morning 8:30 to evening 5:30, there are 3 sessions. Each session 15 papers will be valued.
Okay. So the schedule you wanted to follow because the students' future is at stake, 12th class.
For the sake of the students only, so all unions of the both regular lecturers and contract lecturers and guest faculty, all unions decided to conduct the who involved.
There is no resistance from the teachers, evaluators?
No, madam. Just like the doctors, policemen, and the laborers, they are doing their best. So we are also trying to give our best from our side. So no restriction at all. So because our future, students' future lies for their sake, we are doing our best, madam.
So the results they are expecting in the 2nd week of June. Of course, last year there were some unfortunate incidents, very heartbreaking incidents of after the results were declared. Up to 25 students had ended their life. This time the board has taken lots of precautions. In fact, through the year they had counseling sessions as well for students as well as for teachers dealing with them. And now the critical stage of the evaluations happening here, and the students can expect that the results will be out by the 2nd week of June. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.